Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Apple ID is active on this device and two-factor authentication is enabled. Once done, open Settings or the App Store to view your Apple ID balance so you know how much to add. Make sure you have a debit/credit card or an App Store and iTunes gift card available. The balance you add is what App Store and in-app purchases will draw from first. This gets you to the exact screen to add funds immediately. Next, go straight to add funds in your account settings. Tap your name, media and purchases, view account, then add funds to Apple ID. Select a preset amount or enter a custom value and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Your Apple ID balance updates immediately. Once it's there, the App Store and in-app purchase flow will automatically use that balance first, which means no extra prompts during checkout and a smoother purchase process. Finally, make the in-app purchase as usual. The App Store applies your Apple ID balance automatically at checkout. If the balance is insufficient, the remainder charges your default payment method, so make sure that method is valid. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID, verify the balance in Settings, restart the device, and retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account or billing issues. This closes the loop and gets purchases working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.